Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is my handmade lifestyle and I'm Patty. Today I'm going to show you how I made these really delicious pitas. You're going to fix this and then you're going to put it in a pita, and I added some really good Persian cucumbers and sliced lettuce and some very yummy yogurt and some grape leaves. And here we go. So stick around and I'm going to show you how I made this. These are the falafels that I use when I make this particular dish. I just get them at Whole Food and they're already made. They taste really good. So I'm basically just going to kind of saute them in the pan and include onion and some zucchini spirals. These I get at Trader Joe, but these I can only find at Whole Food. It's like one of the few things I buy there anymore. But they're super good, and I'll just kind of show you how I put this dish together. The first thing I do when I make this dish is to thinly slice an entire onion, and then I just saute it. I like butter. I use a little butter. I use a little olive oil. I add salt and pepper, and I'm just going to let this cook down for a bit, and then I'm going to add the zoodles, and then we'll put in the falafels. My onions are where I like them, and I've added some zoodles, and now I'm just going to pour in a little veggie stock. And I'm going to put the lid on and let everything steam and simmer. Now, this is about 3 minutes in, and everything looks really caramelized and cooked. So now I'm just going to drop in the falafel and try to just get them evenly distributed in the pan. And add a little bit more stock. And return the lid. Okay, and we'll just let it cook for a bit, and I'll check back in with you. But so easy, and they are so good. I wanted to add that I get these pitas also at Whole Food, and I always have those tabboulehs with this pita. It's just, it works really well together. It's so good. So, okay, when I put the pitas together, this is the one that I'm using. This is about, I would say, another 3 minutes in. So you can see that the liquid is getting absorbed. What you want to be careful about is these little falafels are super fragile, so be careful how you move them around in the pan. Most of what we're doing is we're just warming them up. We're allowing the heat from the food to kind of steam them, to reheat them. You don't have to do any actual cooking with them. They're already cooked. And I think this is ready to go. So let's go ahead and get our pitas all set. And there's our finished product. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Okay, it's going to be like basically impossible for me to pick that up with one hand and eat it. So let's just come over here to the pan, and I'm going to just try a little bit. Whoops, in here. It's so amazing. It's delicious. Okay, YouTube, that's all I have for you today. I'm going to sign off for now and enjoy this very delicious dinner. I hope you're inspired to try out making pitas at home for yourself. If you are blessed enough to have whole food and you see these on the shelf, this is how I fix them. I don't know how other people fix them. It's how I fix them, and I think they're really good. So, okay, I'm going to go enjoy them now, and I will see you in the next video.